without doing the cesarean surgery. How we can avoid? There are the numerous case studies are existing in the PubMed. By using the acupuncture alone and moxibustion together, the breech babies, the malposition of the fetus, where generally says because of the head is not coming down, due to that reason you cannot get the normal delivery. So it is essential to do the cesarean. Even in this condition, which we call as a love hormone, happy hormone, it releases the much oxytocin by activating this point in order to improve the plantar digital arteries, which is strengthened by using this point. So therefore, generally it is recommended that while using the Xi-Yin point, that point is called as the UB67, point 1 proximal to the lateral corner of the nail base of the pinky toe. Bilaterally, if we use the needling and then moxibustion at the month of the 8th month or the 9th month, you can use for the span of 10 days. Certainly, most of the women got the normal delivery. If we does a beginning mistake, for instance today, if there are the 3 children or 4 children is required, in that condition, if you do the cesarean in the first baby, then always you need to do the cesarean section itself in the second and third most of the time. The second chance is very poor. If the first chance you have missed that, you have not got the normal delivery, then you understand that causes the problem for the second baby. In the beginning itself, even all the gynecologists should do this procedure with the help of this moxibustion and acupuncture. They can learn is the acupuncture for gynecology. Need not to learn for everything. Acupuncture is the wide spectrum of the diseases covers, and it is the greatest science. If you wanted to learn, due to that reason you are learning the 1 year to 3 years programs. Right? So therefore, when you wanted to study in the minimum acupuncture for the 10 days, acupuncture for the groin conditions, acupuncture for the abdominal conditions, acupuncture for the extremities, or acupuncture for the gynecology, or acupuncture physio acupuncture, how the acupuncture is there, how homeopuncture is there, how aroma puncture is there. In the similar way, we need to add up this, the acupuncture, gyno-acupuncture, or the acupuncture for the gynec conditions. So if we incorporated that only the limited conditions, used only for the infertility, used only for the, for the normal delivery, so then certainly a lot of people can save, not only in terms of the life, in terms of the money as well. Today nearly it costs 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees for the cesarean section of the normal delivery if wanted to go to the corporate hospitals. With the minimum expenditure, take the supplication of the patients. दुआएं दीजिए मरीजों की. Doctor is not mean that you cannot become the sick. We also get sick. We also get the illness. But however, all the gynecologists, they do, it is essential to do the surgery during only the emergency, where the young circle of the intestines is covered, the head region, where could not able to come up down. That is mechanical problem. Certainly that to be done. Not only the moxibustion will help in that condition. Of course, it is essential under the supervision of the gynecology department. Certainly it is recommended to do the acupuncture and moxibustion to the UB67 point. Always is good to bring down the normal delivery conditions. Point UB67. This should be shown 1 inch above the skin surface of the pinky toe on the this particularly lateral side where it ends the toes. So this red mark is there, especially in this area. We can show this moxa always is good for the uterine contractions. So this has been proven for the normal delivery. So in fact, this certain complications it causes when we will give very continuously this. Sometimes in rare cases it causes the blisters on the specific region. So that is the benign complication that also will be alright very soon. In 90% of the conditions, you can do the normal deliveries in the beginning stage. That means in the first pregnancy itself. But when to be done in the primary first trimester, you should not touch to those points. Only to be done in the last trimester, especially on the 8th month in the last week and the beginning of the first week of the 9th month. Immediately you can start around 10 days. It is recommended twice in a day. Bilaterally it is recommended to do that procedure in order to get the normal delivery of the babies. That's safe for the children in future, safe for the father as well. So this is not my word, this has been proven. So therefore I do request to all of you, all the women, all the girls who are studying acupuncture, you also go and practice in the maternity centers where they are doing a lot of cesarean section. If they have the willingness that yes, you should not do without the reason, given that condition under the supervision, you can do the lot of acupuncture and moxibustion in order to save the babies without doing the surgeries. I have the desire even gynecologists also learn this art and technique and skill. This will be applicable. It's not that it's the super simple procedure is there, so why can't we incorporate that? Any system of treatment, any system of the medicine, why we don't incorporate it, even why the paracetamol is existing in the supermarket, why the paracetamol is existing in the provision store today? Because it is the friendly, in emergency, that can be taken any time during that particular situation. If this is having today, you can look at in the television, there are so many Western medicines are, which we call as a OTC products. Over-the-counter products are existing. Even in the TV says is the Volitra gel. Before it is prescribed by the doctors, Benadryl syrup prescribed by the doctors. Today it is existing on the television that the people can buy it directly going to the pharmacy. Why people are utilized friendly? Because of the DG, Drug Control General of India, given the authorization to use this as the OTC product. They are using that Anasin, Saridan, I don't know, so many Crocin, all are OTC products. I mean to say such a friendly is there. This system also is so friendly, and also Government of India also given the authorization. The qualified medical doctors can practice acupuncture also. All the appropriately trained personnel can practice acupuncture as well. Why can't they learn this as a certification course and they can implement this in their clinical practice? If they need not to do that, they can appoint some therapists, even they can ask them to do that procedure. Always is good. That is a great advantage to the gynec department, that have another added advantage that they have only that procedures. Apart from that, there is something is the integrated approach, the holistic approach, right? That to be benefited to the ultimately to the patient and infant. So therefore, here you understand today, you take this mission. In order to bring this, we have and take, the woman or girl mission. You take with a passport, I can help. We would like to help you anywhere, as much as possible. Wherever, because of this, not only my words, the world says that. It's good for that condition. However, make it that, so this always is good. In order to implement some other point, I wanted to tell you, there is another point is called as a Archeon. That point is known as a line 2. The next point to be known as a Sun Inchio, that's point to be called as a spleen 6. There is a second point to be called as a spleen 6. How to identify this point? So we try to find out this is the bone called as a inside of the leg, that where the great toe is there. This is the tip of the medial malleolus. From here we can place it 4 fingers. So where the 4th finger is placing, that point to be called as a spleen 6 point. So this also great distal point for the pelvic organs, especially during the menstrual delivery. Certainly we keep activating this point by doing the pressure to this particular region, or doing the moxa is always is good. There are the few points, moxibustion always is good. So therefore 1 inch above the skin surface we can place it for the couple of minutes. Around 10 to 20 minutes is maximum is recommended in a day. So especially at the last week of the normal delivery date or the expected date of delivery, or at the 9th month in the beginning. So certainly we can use it for the span of 3 to 5 days or 5 to maximum 10 days can be advisable here, right? So sometimes there is the ashes are there here, so make sure to sometimes you just the ashes. Point is known as a Huan Yuan, and the Chukchi. That point is Ren 4 and then Ren 3. All our points are always is good to become the normal delivery.